Hi and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to make ramen noodles. I use Microsoft Word to create art using office shapes. First we go into Insert, Shape, choose a rounded edged rectangle, and that's going to be just our template. Shape fill, no fill. Okay. Insert, Shapes, Curve, Line. And we're just going to draw one line of noodles. And we just left click to change direction. And then hit escape. I'm going to put it to fixed position. Then highlight it, shape outline, choose the color, choose this one, the weight, now we're going to go into shape effects, bevel, and I'm going to choose this one. Now I'm going to also do shape fill, no fill, make it smaller, inch it up a little more, like that. Now we go into shape effects, shadow, choose the shadow, and then I'm going to open up the format shape, go into shadow, and I'm just going to change the color to this one, to the brown, and then I'm just going to bring down the transparency. Okay, to copy this, I'm just going to change it around a little bit. And I think I'm going to also reverse it this way. Bring it down. Paste. This one will just be reversed. Like that. Paste. Reverse it this way. Okay, I think that should be enough. Like that. And get rid of this outline. Now I'm going to go to select objects, group, fixed position. Okay, and for some of these ones, this one here, I'm going to go edit points. Just going to get rid of this point here, delete point, so it doesn't stick out. Move them in a little bit more. And that's it. Thanks for watching.